High electric bills can totally blow your mind, especially when the thermostat wiring is messed up and you don't even realize it. So, when your heating or air conditioning system is running wild, it's often because the thermostat wires are hooked up wrong. You want to make sure the wire terminals are connected exactly where they should be. Like, don't mix up the W and Y wires, because that can make your heater and AC run at the wrong times or nonstop. Always double check every single connection after you finish wiring. A loose or swapped wire can cause your system to work overtime and spike your electric bill. Another tip is to label your wires before disconnecting anything so you know where everything goes back. If you're not super confident with electrical stuff, it's worth calling a pro to avoid frying your thermostat or worse. Using a multimeter to test connections can save you from future headaches by confirming voltage and continuity. Also, keep an eye on your thermostat settings to prevent it from switching between heat and AC too quickly, which wastes energy. Fixing these wiring mistakes can seriously cut down those crazy electric costs and keep your home comfy without the stress. One of the biggest thermostat wiring mistakes is crossing the W and Y wires, which makes the heating and cooling systems run at the same time or cycle on and off more than they should. Fix this by carefully following the wiring diagram and testing before sealing everything up. Another common problem is a loose wire terminal that causes intermittent connection. Tightening all screws firmly and checking for corrosion can solve it. Lastly, ignoring the common wire, C-wire, connection can lead to inconsistent thermostat power and weird system behavior. Adding or fixing the C-wire connection ensures your thermostat gets steady power and communicates properly with your HVAC system. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors without all the hassle. It also helps contractors get connected with real clients ready to start their next big home project, making life easier for everyone.